Unlocking the power of lifestyle hashtags can be the game changer your social media presence has been waiting for. In today's digital landscape, hashtags are more than just trendy labels. They're the keys to discovery, engagement, and building a vibrant online community. Whether you're sharing moments from your daily routine, inspiring others with wellness tips, or showcasing your unique take on fashion, food, fitness, or travel, the right hashtags put your content in front of the right audience. Lifestyle hashtags are at the heart of a thriving feed. They connect you with like-minded individuals, making it easier to discover new trends, engage in meaningful conversations, and grow your follower base organically. With so many options available, choosing the right hashtags can seem overwhelming. But that's where the magic happens. By blending broad, popular hashtags with niche, targeted ones, you maximize your reach while staying true to your personal brand. Let's dive into what makes lifestyle hashtags so effective. They reflect the diversity of everyday life. Live authentic, #mindful moments, #self-care Sunday, and #healthy habits are just the beginning. These hashtags tap into larger conversations, allowing your post to join global movements focused on wellness, positivity, and inspiration. As you share snapshots of your morning routine or document your weekend adventures, incorporating hashtags like #morningmotivation, #weekendvibes, or @adventureawaits helps you connect with users searching for those very experiences. But successful hashtag strategy isn't just about popularity, it's about relevance. For a fitness enthusiast, hashtags like #FitLife, #GymMotivation, or #SweatItOut can attract fellow fitness lovers. Foodies can savor engagement with #FoodieLife, #EatWell, #HomeCooking, and #InstaFood. If travel is your passion, #Wanderlust, Travel Diaries, #ExploreMore, and #Vacation Mode open doors to a world of explorers. The beauty of lifestyle hashtags is in their versatility. No matter your niche, there are tags that speak directly to your interests and audience. At Famety, we understand that curating the perfect set of hashtags is only one piece of the puzzle. To truly boost your social media presence, it's essential to combine a strong hashtag strategy with our premium services, likes, followers, comments, shares, and more. Designed to amplify your reach and maximize your impact. Imagine your beautifully curated post not only reaching more people, but also sparking genuine engagement and conversation. With our support, you'll never have to worry about your content getting lost in the crowd. Consistency is key in the world of lifestyle content. By using a core set of hashtags consistently, you establish yourself as a go-to source in your niche. You build recognition, credibility, and community, qualities that drive long-term growth. It's not just about numbers. It's about forging real connections and inspiring others. Whether you're documenting your fitness journey, sharing your favorite recipes, or offering tips on mindfulness and self-care, staying up to date with trending hashtags keeps your content fresh and relevant. Regularly research what's buzzing in your niche and update your hashtag list to reflect current interests. Famity's team stays ahead of the curve, providing guidance and insights to ensure your posts are always optimized for maximum visibility. Plus, our live support is ready to answer your questions and help you navigate the ever-changing social media landscape. In the end, lifestyle hashtags are more than just a digital tool. They're the bridge between your story and the world. With Famety by your side, you have the resources and expertise to turn every post into an opportunity for growth, connection, and discovery. Elevate your online presence, inspire your audience, and let your lifestyle shine. One hashtag at a time.